welcome to Gosia at home cooking. Today I will make delicious goulash with vegetables and we enjoy so much and I hope you enjoy too. Let's get started. I have 6 pounds of beef and I will make the delicious goulash. Now you can see the meat is cut in a small bite size. Next step, I will coat beef with half a cup of flour. The beef is covered with the flour. Next step, I have 2 carrots. Goulash recipe. First I have to peel onion. Onion I will cut in a pretty large pieces. Now I'm slicing carrot. As you can see, I cut carrots in large pieces too. For this recipe I'm using a small paprika, so I cut just in half. I have 2 tomatoes. You can see I'm cutting very large pieces. Okay, tomato done. I have all the vegetables ready, so let's get cooking. The stove is on high heat. Oil, about 4 tablespoons. Okay, let's get started. The oil is hot. Now I will brown the meat. The beef is coated with flour. Very easy to make the sauce. You can see the meat is nice and brown on one side. The beef is, you can see, is nice and brown. Now I'm adding onion and carrot, bay leaves. And I'm adding herbs, hot pepper, cumin, thyme, marjoram, powdered garlic. Next I'm adding salt, black pepper, and I'm adding half a garlic. The rest of the garlic I will add on end. Now I'm adding boiling water. It's very important to add the boiling water, not cold, because the cold will make the beef hard. I will keep the stove on medium high and cover, and let's get cooked for at least 1 hour. I cook meat for about 1 hour. Now I'm adding paprika, Spanish paprika, pepper, half a cup of wine, red wine, and I'm adding tomatoes. The rest of the garlic here. You can see the sauce is already thick, color is beautiful, sauce delicious already. I cook a goulash for about 2 hours. Let's go check the meat. Perfect. The goulash is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.